Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 05 STI. This week we are in Virginia and we are at Superior Collision Center where the STI is already all marked up and ready for paint and body. So let me flip you guys around. I'll show you what the shop looks like and I'll show you all the circles and damage on the car that we're going to get fixed and make the car mint all over again. Let's go. All right, so the STI is parked in the opening bay. We got some stuff marked on it just for like paint, and we got some damage circled, some bug splatter, dent on the door, a couple dents on this door. So whole car is going to get refreshed, trunk full of parts. There's some of our parts over there. There's our energy absorber for the rear bumper that I forgot to put on. Since they're going to be taking it off for paint, they're going to be reinstalling that. But in that box here, we have all of our trim moldings, pillar moldings, belt moldings, weather stripping, all the exterior moldings for this car. Inside the trunk, obviously we got the remainder of the parts, but super excited to get this thing minty fresh. They think it'll take about a week or so. I do have my doubts because this car has given me a bunch of struggles along the way, and it might give them. So 1 week, 2 weeks, it's going to be back to us in perfect condition. Now I am debating about just getting it towed back because it would be a hassle for me to fly back up here, drive it back, when I could just pay a transporter just to drive it down. We'll crash tape the front end so no rock chips, and we'll keep miles off the car. But the rest of the shop looks pretty nice. We got our Hunter rack over here, the frame machine. They really got everything set up to do all the body repair. And then next door is where they do all the paint stuff. But so if you guys didn't know, my regular job is an auto damage adjuster. So being in an auto body shop is very familiar for me, especially since I used to be a field adjuster and I used to go to local body shops and get the estimates and get all of that stuff completed. Now I do all of this stuff virtually, I basically service the whole country. So basically what I'm trying to say is that I am pretty picky with body shops, and the fact that we are bringing the STI to this shop definitely means something. If you guys need any work done in the Northern Virginia area, definitely hit up Superior Collision Center. I will have their contact up here in the corner and in the description below if you guys need any work done. None of this is sponsored. I am paying full price for this. I'm just trying to go with the most quality shop around. Superior Collision also has a contract with Ferrari, so they do some of the Ferrari paint work here. So I mean, if they got recognized by them to do paint work, I mean, they can definitely work on our Subi over here. And real quick before we end this video off, I know it's a real short one today, but just wanted to show you guys the mileage after our trip. Dang, she's old now. She hit 50, so we're at 50,348 miles. It was about a 360-mile drive to get up here, and I mean, it performed flawlessly. Those new fuel lines that we put on, I do have the AN wrenches in there just in case they got loose or anything, and like we had some sort of issue. Zero issues. Long story short, we've had zero issues. It was a perfect drive, super smooth. Like, I forget how nice these cars are to cruise. Everything is close to you. Like, you can reach everything in the car because it's much smaller than like all these newer cars. And with the stock suspension and everything, I mean, it was a very comfortable ride. That's all I got for you guys on this one. Quick, short video, but just letting you guys know, car is at the body shop and it's gonna come back perfect. So in the meantime, we'll be making some more videos on the 22WRX. Perrin just released a pretty cool part that gives about 10 horsepower for a stage 1 car, and they do say you can get even more depending on what your mods are. So since we're on E85 with a big turbo kit, I mean, we're probably gonna pick up more than 10 horsepower, so stay tuned. We might be getting that installed and going out for a test drive. But until next time, see you guys.